So we decided we're going to take our farm dog, Walt, to Tractor Supply and get him a bath. He's not very domesticated, so we'll see how this goes. We put towels down, so little farm dog didn't mess up the truck. I don't think he knows what to think.
To get him in the truck.
Come here. There you go. No, leave it on him.
Okay, he's in the car.
He's in the truck.
We're going to see how this goes. He seems pretty comfortable now.
Yeah.
Like he belongs. He's being such a good boy. I'm so proud of him.
Me too.
Yes, he's being so good.
He's like,
Where are we? It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's